Hello fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the features of the FitBeast Pull Up Bar for Doorway, a strength training essential designed with a no-screw, adjustable width locking mechanism and a maximum load capacity of 600 pounds. Crafted from high-quality steel, this pull-up bar boasts a core thickness of 1.5 millimeters, supporting up to 800 pounds, while its bow-shaped supporting feet and 1,300 millimeters PVC cushion enhance stability and protect your doorframe. The unique hexagonal design and safety lock devices ensure the bar stays secure during your workouts, preventing slipping and spinning for a safe training experience. Enjoy comfortable, full-coverage hand grips made from high-density foam, reducing hand fatigue and calluses, and offering versatile options for narrow and wide grip exercises. With its screw-free, drill-free installation, the FitBeast Pull-Up Bar is easy to set up on doorways between 27.6 to 37.8 inches, saving you time while ensuring force balance. This versatile bar is perfect for a range of exercises, from pull-ups to sit-ups and more, making it an ideal addition to your home gym. For any questions or assistance, the FitBeast team is ready to help, ensuring you get the most out of your workout experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.